Hi, Kaden. This is Miss Arches here, and these are your weekly slides for February 9th through the 12th. And here I am with little pets. This reminded me of you because I know that you have all kinds of pets at home. All right, learning from home. I think what would be really important, Kaden, before you really get started is just to look over these slides. And as I indicated, there's also the video here. Just briefly look through this very quickly. Okay, there's only 7 slides. I'm asking you to do 3 things this week. There are student notes part 1, elements of culture, submit to Canvas. There's also student notes part 2, belonging and assimilation, submit to Canvas. And then there's an Edpuzzle video, and while you're watching this video, it's going to stop and ask you questions, and all you have to do is type in your answers. Once you're done, make sure you submit to Canvas. This slide is where you're going to find everything for this week's activity except for the Edpuzzle. This big one right here. See this? Bing, 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 bing. This is your slides that we talk about culture. Okay? And slide number 2 is elements of culture. So you look this slide over, and then here's a video you can watch. You just click on this. And starting at slide number 5 here is where you are going to start your notes. Where are your notes? They're right here. So you see that? You click this right here and you copy your notes. You make a copy like that. And then it pops up. And you just kind of toggle back and forth between these. I kind of wanted to make it a little bit more understandable, so I started this out. So number 3 slide right here, culture is, I typed out your answers right here. Who teaches us culture? This is 6 and 7. You'll notice that I also typed in your answer. So all of this. What are the 6 elements of culture? Elements of culture, they're all right here. And they were typed. Next one is social organization. What are 2 types of social organizations? I typed that in for you, sweetie, so you see that. Traditions and values. Did that for you right there. Then starting at slide number 8, what is language? Who types of language exist? And you'll see this right here. Then there's a slide on religion, a slide on art and literature in your notes, and then there's one on government. The government you did not have to take notes on because you've already learned about government, but it's just important to know that it's a part of everything. All right, so then when you get done, submit that to Canvas, and I'll show you where to go with that in just a moment or two. But then you've got part 2. See that? Bing, 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 bing. Click on that and make a copy. Make a copy and it will give you notes for you to use. Takes a few seconds for you to do that. There you go. And again, it's part 2. It looks the same as part 1, but it's a new round. Okay, can people feel like they do not belong in a culture? What could be the reasons? What's dominant culture? 3 reasons culture clash. All right, there's 10. Again, where will you find these? Starting right here. Student Part 2, belonging in a simulation. And just look at where you will find these things. Okay? I mean, it might take you a little bit, but you will find it. Okay? I promise you. Just kind of look through these and know, and all of these are links that you can do, so please feel free. And then right here it says to stop, and we'll be doing part 3 and 4 next week. So then go to Canvas and go to your assignments. I'm going to do the student view. Blink. There it is. Just go to your assignments like that. And you will see student notes part 1 and part 2. And what I'm going to ask you to do is submit your assignment. And all you have to do is go to your Google Drive and type in elements of culture, student notes, something like that. Or if you want, you can just get the link and make sure you do the shared link part and put it in right here if you'd like, if that's easier, and just copy and paste the link and put it here and submit. Up to you how you want to do it. And I have to get out of the student view for a second. Sorry about that, because I'm trying to show you the second one. And then you would do the same for part 2. You would just submit it, either go through Google Drive and locate it, or do the URL, copy and paste it, and then submit. And then the next part, you can hear my dog. Sorry about that. I'm not going to redo the video since we're so far in. And then the next thing that you would be doing is Culture Lost Boys. And you would be doing this Ed puzzle. You'd be watching this. And then there would be questions that would come up.
Do people go to the river with containers to draw water for themselves? For busing?
So this is a really cool video about these boys. Actually, they're men who are from the Sudan. And they left when they were children, the Sudan, because there was a civil war. And in the Civil War, there was people that were gathering up boys in villages and making them child soldiers. So a lot of these boys fled to Kenya so they wouldn't become child soldiers. Literally, they would be pulled from villages to become soldiers as young as 4 or 5 years old, actually. And so these boys fled and into the neighboring country of Kenya and lived in a refugee camp. And from a little boy on into a young adult manhood, they stayed in these refugee camps. So the United States allowed them to come into the United States to live. They offered them a place to live. And here you're seeing what the boys, young men, fear about going to the United States. He's talking about bathing. Another guy talks about electricity. This guy continues to talk about electricity. He's worried about electricity. He thinks it's going to be hard. And then there's also a moment where they talk about, I can only have one wife. That will be difficult, which implies that marriage, for these young men, you can have more than one wife, which is interesting because that's very different from our culture. And then it goes on as they come to the United States to live, how it's really complicated for them. in just adapting and learning to assimilate. So it's really a cool video, Caden, that I think you're going to like. And then make sure you submit this, and then you're done for the week. That's it. So I'm going to go back to the final slide for you. Here's the Lost Boys. And then that's it. Email me with questions, and I'll see you in advisory.